When you heard about the judgment in the court, what was your first reaction? What was going on in your mind?
My daughter and wife, those were standing beside me, they tears. They started to tear out of joy and of the suffering which was done for 7 years, they broke. I also little bit something melted because it was long waited judgment. It's a victory for my fight for truth.
Why did you decide to write a book?
I was not heard by any individual institutions, whether it is CV. They are passing their own comments, they are filing their own charge sheet, they are giving their own reports, whatever they want, without hearing me. I wanted to give my stand, my viewpoint, my side to the entire nation. So I decided to write the book.
What do you think was the main culprit behind the entire 2G saga? When you say 2G saga unfolds,
I already disclosed Vinod Roy.
he turns out to be the main villain of the entire episode.
I do not want to call villain. But I think that everything was done by him only.
Yeah, you called him Sutradhar, I think.
Sutradhar, yes. Yes.
Very upset with Chidambaram.
I am not very upset, I just am telling you
You
truth.
have mentioned that he didn't talk to you,
Ah.
he turned his face away.
Sir, we are travelling in the same plane from Chennai to Delhi. I resigned. Time he travelled along with me. I was completely depressed at that time. But it's not mere courtesy. Raja, what happened actually? Whether you're going to defend or not. Or what wrong with your officers? Or you did wrong. So, I'm telling collective interest. My expectation is genuine. So I expected much. But he did not open his mouth. He avoided me.
There was little speculation following a meeting between Prime Minister.
I cannot give any answer for speculation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You followed the policy, but there were two lobbies, cartels.
Yes, they are fighting themselves. Yes.
So are you the victim of crossfire?
To an extent it is correct. To an extent it is correct. Where they are fighting, they are having press, they are having power, they are influencing people, they are reachable to Prime Minister, they are reachable to Minister. I am not accusing anything. Usually the business people are reachable to Raja also. Ratan Tata met me, Sunil Mittal met me, Anil Ambani met me. What I am telling is, for business people it is not unusual to reach the minister.
Yeah, but you have drawn an inference. You repeatedly suggested in the book that you were motivated by the public welfare
Yes.
and trying to break the cartelization,
Yes.
that you were trying to bring in new players. But the accusation is the new player you brought in, like Swan and Unitech, they got licenses, sold them and made a windfall.
That is not at all sold. That is a misinterpretation. See, 1,650 crore for entry fee, they paid it.
Yes.
License is a mere paper.
Yeah.
Mere paper, you gave the paper, department gave the paper, your license is over, you take license, you operate. You gave spectrum, it is mere empty air. How can the operation can start?
डीएम के प्रमुख करुणानिधि से प्रधानमंत्री मोदी की मुलाकात के बाद ये सवाल उठने लगे थे कि क्या बीजेपी के साथ डीएम की आएगी। सुनिए क्या कह रहे हैं ए राजा।
What is the DMK future after 2G verdict?
We will rule the state.
And
Definitely we will
will
rule
you
the state.
stick with Congress in 2019
That will be decided by
or
party.
go with BJP?
No, that will be at the time of election. It will be decided by the working president and the high level committee.
Yeah, this
But
question.
one thing I want to be very clear. So far as DMK is concerned, it is a secular force. We are having deep faith in the constitution.